Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Nabil Putra Muhyiddin and I'm in group 7. Today I want to presentation my work in my article by title Exploring the Challenge of Remote Mathematics Learning for Mathematics Education Department Student. And my part in work is in introduction, result, conclusion, and suggestion. Okay, so for the first is journal template requirements in introduction. The journal template requires this following content. For the first is background. The second one is emergence of research problems. The third is alternative and chosen solutions. And then next is previous studies. And the fifth is research urgency, and the sixth is purpose and usefulness of research. Okay, so number and topic of my paragraph. In introduction, I have 8 paragraphs, and the topic of each paragraph are in paragraph 1 is reasons why remote mathematics learning is implemented. In the second paragraph, the topic is implementation of remote mathematics learning. In the third paragraph, the topic is the use of technology and AI in the implementation of remote mathematics learning. In the fourth paragraph, the topic is challenge of remote mathematics learning. In the fifth paragraph, the topic is solutions to the challenge of remote mathematics learning. In the sixth paragraph, the topic is previous studies that has examined the challenge of remote mathematics learning. In the seventh paragraph, the topic is urgency of research. And in the eighth paragraph, the topic is purpose and use of research. Okay, so next, the main idea of each paragraph. Here are the main idea of each paragraph in introduction. So in the first paragraph, the main idea is remote mathematics learning has begun to be implemented in mathematics learning. And then in the second one is, in addition, remote mathematics learning can be done at the same time or at different times in different place. The third one is, furthermore, technology and AI are used in the implementation of remote mathematics learning to support mathematics learning activities. The fourth one is, the main idea is, however, there are several challenges felt by some students during remote mathematics learning. The main idea in fifth paragraph is, despite this, there are solutions to every challenge that exists in distance learning mathematics. The main idea in the sixth paragraph is, challenges in remote learning of mathematics have been studied by several previous studies. The main idea in seventh paragraph is, the urgency of this research is because there are still many students who have difficulty in understanding mathematics material after taking remote mathematics learning. And the last main idea is, from the description above, the purpose of this study is to determine the challenge of remote mathematics learning at the college level and its solutions. So this is presentations of each paragraph. In introduction, for paragraph 1, there is 3 sentences. The main idea of paragraph 1 is remote mathematics learning has begun to be implemented in mathematics learning. And then the supporting sentence of these paragraphs are, in sentence 2, is one of the causes is COVID-19, which has hit the whole world. And in sentence 3 is, the presence of COVID-19, which has hit the world, has caused educational institutions to be required to carry out the learning process remotely. And then next, in second paragraph, there is 3 sentences. The main idea of paragraph 2 is, in addition, remote mathematics learning can be done at the same time or at different times in different places. And the supporting sentence of these paragraphs in the second sentences is, one of the places that can be used is each person's home. And the third sentences is, students are increasingly free to do learning activities at home, making it easier to access materials from teachers. In the third paragraph, there is three sentences. The main idea of paragraph 1 is, furthermore, technology and AI are used in the implementation of remote mathematics learning to support mathematics learning activities. The supporting sentence of these paragraphs are, in second sentence is, with technology, learning materials that were previously delivered conventionally through textbooks or live lectures can now be accessed more interactively through applications, online learning platforms, and educational software. And in the third sentence is, by integrating mentoring with technological tools, educators can create a more holistic and supportive learning environment addressing both academic and personal development needs. Do I really need to read all of this? Okay, so this is the fourth paragraph. Like I said before, in the main idea. However, there are several challenges felt by some students during remote mathematics learning, and this is the supporting sentences of these paragraphs. There are three supporting sentences in fourth paragraph. And the next, in the fifth paragraph, there are three sentences. There is one main idea and two supporting sentences. In this paragraph, talk about solution. Okay, next. Okay, in paragraph 6, sixth paragraph there are three sentences. The main idea is, challenges in remote learning of mathematics have been studied by several previous studies. The supporting sentences of this paragraph are, in sentence 2 is, Trinda et al. In their study stated that most students in disadvantaged areas find remote learning of mathematics less interesting and challenging due to inadequate digital resource and internet connectivity. And in sentence 3, in a study conducted by Ilhan and Kirmizigo, they identified the disadvantage of distance learning in mathematics education, including decreased student engagement, technological challenges such as access issues, negative impacts on educational outcomes, and socio-emotional impacts such as isolation and reduced interaction between students and teachers. And this is in the seventh paragraph. There's just two sentences. The main idea of paragraph 7 is, the urgency of this research is because there are still many students who have difficulty understanding mathematics material after taking remote mathematics learning. So this paragraph is talking about the urgency of this research. So next, in the eighth paragraph, this paragraph talk about the purpose and the usefulness of this research. Okay, so next, in dissertation, in the first paragraph, I just use one citation in the sentence 3, and I put that at the end of the sentence. In the paragraph 2, there is just one citation 2 in sentence 3, and there are at the end of the sentence. On the paragraph 3, there are two citations. In the first it is in the sentence 2, and the second one is in the sentence 3. In the sentence 2, the citation at the end of the sentence, and the sentence 3 in the sentence 3 too. In the paragraph 4, I made citation in sentence 2, sentence 3, and sentence 4. In the sentence 4, I put that at the beginning of the sentence. In the sentence 3, I put that at the beginning of the sentence too. But in sentence 4, I put that at the end of the sentence. In paragraph 5, I made citation in sentence 2 and sentence 3. In sentence 2, I put that at the beginning of the sentence, and in the sentence 3 I put that at the beginning of the sentence. And then in the paragraph 6 I made citation in sentence 2 and sentence 3. In the sentence 2 I put that at the beginning of the sentence, and the sentence 3 I put that at the beginning of the sentence 2. In the seventh paragraph and eighth paragraph I didn't put any citation. Okay, so this is the reference list. Here are my reference list from paragraph 1, you can see, and this is from paragraph 2, this is from paragraph 3, this is from paragraph 4, 5, 6, and that's. So now we go to the next about journal template requirement in the result. So the journal template requires this following content. Just one is research result. In the result part, I have 10 paragraphs. The topic of each paragraph are in paragraph 1. This paragraph is talk about classification of challenge. In the second paragraph, it's talk about lack of motivation. In the third paragraph, it talk about lack of interaction. In the fourth paragraph, it talk about use of technology. In the fifth paragraph, it talk about learning resource. In the sixth paragraph, it talk about online discussion forum. In the seventh paragraph, the topic is technical constraint and technology gaps. In the eighth paragraph, the topic is family support and unconducive learning environment. In the ninth paragraph is effectiveness of remote mathematics learning, and in the 10th paragraph is effectiveness of blended learning. So this is main idea of each paragraph. In the paragraph 1, the main idea is the results of the data analysis show that the challenge in remote mathematics learning can be classified into 3 main terms and 5 subterms. In the paragraph 2, lack of motivation to learn in students is the first challenge in remote mathematics learning. In the third paragraph, is in addition to causing a lack of motivation, a respondent felt that the lack of interaction with lecturers and peers made it increasingly difficult for them to understand mathematics material. In the fourth paragraph, the next main theme is technology, and in the fifth paragraph, the main idea is learning resources from digital media are also considered to be able to help students understand mathematical concepts more easily. And in the sixth paragraph, the main idea is in contrast to learning videos and math software, only 47% of respondents felt they could understand math concepts better and were more confident in working on math problems after using online discussions forums. In the seventh paragraph, also the main idea is also the use of technology in remote mathematics learning received a positive response from most respondents. Technical constraints and technological gaps are still the main problems. In the eighth paragraph, the main idea is the last main theme is the learning environment. In the ninth paragraph, the main idea is in addition to asking about the challenge in distance learning mathematics, we also ask respondent about its effectiveness. And in the last paragraph, the main idea is aside from the ineffectiveness of remote mathematics learning, 88% of respondents felt more comfortable and more effective with learning mathematics using the blended learning model. So this is the presentation of each paragraph in the result part. In the paragraph 1, there is 3 sentences, and yep, in the result there is no citation. So this is the first paragraph. There are 3 sentences, the main idea and 2 supporting sentences. This is the paragraph 2. This paragraph talk about lack of motivation. Yang disebutkan ya. Lack motivation. The cause of the cause of lack of motivation include learning feeling boring, lack of interaction between students and lecturers and students and peers, lack of pressures that trigger students' enthusiasm for learning, and feelings of boredom from staring at the laptop screen for too long. This is the third paragraph. There are just two sentences, one main idea and one supporting sentences. In the fourth paragraph, there are three sentences. In the fifth paragraph, there are five sentences, one main idea and wait, yeah, and fourth supporting sentence. In the sixth paragraph, there are three sentences, one main idea and two supporting sentences. In the seventh paragraph, there is six sentences. So there is one main idea and about around fifth supporting sentences. In the eighth paragraph, there are five sentences. In the ninth paragraph, there are just three sentences, and in the last paragraph, there are three sentences. So the next is conclusion. So I work in the part. So I work. My part is in conclusion too. And the journal template requires this following content. In conclusion is just one findings according to research problems, or can also be in the form of recommendations for the next steps. So in the conclusion part, I have just two paragraphs. In the paragraph 1, the topic is challenge in remote mathematics learning, and in the paragraph 2 is effectiveness in the implementation of remote mathematics learning. This is the main idea of each paragraph in conclusion, and this is in the first paragraph. I just write two sentences. I don't think the first one is the main idea, but whatever. And in the second paragraph, I write around 5 sentences, one main idea and 4 supporting sentences. So the next is suggestion. In the suggestion, the journal template requires this following content. Just one, that is input for subsequent researchers, and or also implicative recommendations from research findings. So in the suggestion, I just have one paragraph. I just write one paragraph, and the topic is suggestions for overcoming challenge in implementing remote mathematics learning. So in the paragraph 1, I just write recommendation for lecturers, for all parents, and to the government, how to I write recommendation for lecturer, parents, and government about the solution for the challenge in remote mathematics learning. So in this paragraph, I just write 3 sentences, and okay. Thank you for listening, and see you. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.